Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
Good luck.
How to enable or disable your chat history in Duck AI. So here I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable your chat history in Duck AI. So this is very useful for those who want to hide something. Or you just want to just don't save your what do you call this, your chats on Duck AI because sometimes it might get a little bit laggy for some of those who are using Duck AI more often because it keeps getting a lot of cache. Of course, you can clear your cache, but this one is very useful if you don't want to save and you just want to ask some random question in your Duck AI and you don't want Duck AI to save it. So yeah, I suggest you can do this. So yeah, there you go. There's yeah, or yeah, that's about it. You can do. So here, let's start. All we need to do is press on the two horizontal lines on the left corner. After pressing on the two horizontal lines on the left corner, right below share feedback is our settings. All we need to do is press on our settings right there. After pressing on our settings right there, we will see chat history. All we need to do, as you can see, we just need to turn it off. So as you can see right now, disable chat history. Are you sure you want to disable history? This will delete all chats, including pinned chat. As you can see right now, all we need to do is disable chat history. Now, as you can see, whenever we're gonna chat write anything here, it won't save it. Hi. As you see, hello, how can I assist you? As you can see right now, we're gonna press on a new chat. As you can see right now, Duck AI didn't save the former chat. As you can see, there's no chats here. So yeah, there you go, guys. That's how you disable it. And to enable it, just click on here and then click on settings. Then press on chat history again to turn it on. As you can see, the blue light means it's turned on. Once you go back here and you chat something here, it will be saved at your Duck AI. There you go, guys. I hope you guys like the video because you enjoyed. If you have any more questions, you can type it down in the comment section below and we'll be happy to answer you guys. And there you go, guys. Thank you, guys. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.